SLRN stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all this in this very short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. As I'm looking at ACELYRIN, whatever the pronunciation is on this ticker, 6% decrease in price today. Yeah, it's not looking good. I mean, to be very frank and honest from the get-go, not looking good. I'm not a big fan. I have delivered thousands of correct predictions over the last 4 years, spent thousands of courses and mentors, documented everything. And generally speaking, like from the get-go, I'll be just, yeah, for me to have any signs of potentially something bullish, $4 is what I see breaks above. Now that does not mean that like ultra lower time from like intraday or even a couple of days I cannot be bullish. Of course I can, but for me previously, like even making 35,000 videos, that's the most likely thing that I'm seeing kind of getting cleared, which is these lows here. So I'm going to keep you updated, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.